Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while delivering a sermon, said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gave his bondsman option either to choose the world or what is with him, and he chose what is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Thus, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu burst into tears. I said to myself, why does this elderly person weep? When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gave any of his bondsmen right to choose either the world or what is with him, and that bondsman like what is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whereas Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is himself that bondsman, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu is more knowledgeable than all of us. So he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, O Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, don't weep. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu favored me the most in terms of companionship and property. If I had made friends with anybody among my ummah, I would have taken Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu as a friend. But there is Islamic brotherhood and love between us. No door to the mosque must be left but that of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 466.